Hello kids, welcome to Mommy Labs channel. Today we wanna draw some candles, something like birthday candles. Let's go. For zero number, we wanna draw a very big oval and repeat it parallel tip. Okay, it's O number. Now for melting candle and the flame, it's zero number. Let's go for number one. Two vertical line and then two horizontal lines as fit. And after that, do it like that, like an inverse T. Now we started like this and the flame now melting. It's okay. Okay, for number two, we draw a very little two and repeat it parallelly. Okay, like question number. Okay, and after that, do it. And melting. Now we are going for flame. It's done. They are so cute, isn't it? For number three, a little tree. Okay. And a big tree. Now join two trees to each other with horizontal line like this. Where is flame? Here it is. And after that, melting. Okay. Now we want a birthday cake. First step, the cream. Next level, second level, cream, and now candle with flame. Okay, let's go to draw number four. A rectangle here. And repeat it. Okay. And flame. Number 5. Semicircle here and repeat it parallelly again. Join it. Vertical line, horizontal line, a horizontal again, going for flame, vertical, and a big vertical. Join they to each other and melting. So cute. Okay, for number 6, draw a hole, draw a circle, and after that continue it to the top and repeat it, and going for melting and the flame. Number 6. Okay, what about number 7? We draw a big 7 and a more big 7 here, and melting, horizontal line to join them, and a flame. Number 7. Okay, we are gonna draw number 8 candle. A big circle, at the top of that a little one, and now a big circle around a big circle and a little more bigger circle around the little circle. Okay, like this. And we are going for drawing melting. Okay, and the flame. Number 8. And now for number 9. A circle, a big circle around it, and then draw and now melting. Now we are gonna for flame. It's the end. No, it's not. We are going to color it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we are going to